BNB hits $788 as institutional capital and massive upgrades reshape BNB Chain's future. BNB Chain. DX. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. BNB surges to $788.83 with support from a $200 million Windtree treasury allocation, $90 million investment from Nano Labs, and plans for a 20,000 TPS roadmap. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomy covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. July 24, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. BNB just punched through $788 as Wall Street money floods in, with $290 million in fresh institutional buys this week alone. The rally comes as BNB Chain prepares to increase its transaction speed by 10x, targeting 20,000 TPS by 2026. Multiple publicly traded companies have recently allocated large sums to treasury strategies involving this asset, indicating growing confidence in its long-term utility beyond basic exchange functions. Source: CoinMarketCap. BNB rockets on Kraken-supported $200 million treasury play, prepares for major scalability boost. BNB remains firmly positioned as a top 5 Layer 1 blockchain asset, with a market capitalization of $109.87 billion, a 24-hour trading volume of $3.7 billion, and total value locked, TVL, of approximately $6.843 billion. Its stablecoin market cap stands at about $11.1 billion, and decentralized exchange, DEX, volume has reached $5.56 billion, reflecting sustained on-chain activity. Source: DeFi Institutional adoption continues to deepen. Windtree Therapeutics, a Nasdaq-listed biotech firm, has initiated a BNB treasury allocation through Kraken, starting with $60 million and aiming for up to $200 million. The company intends to leverage BNB for ecosystem engagement and yield strategies, indicating long-term confidence in the token. In a similar move, Nano Labs has acquired 120,000 BNB tokens, worth approximately $90 million, as part of its treasury diversification, reinforcing the token's appeal beyond Binance's exchange-based utility. BNB Chain is actively enhancing its infrastructure with major upgrades planned through late 2025 and into 2026. A tenfold increase in block gas limit, from 100 million to 1 billion, is expected to support up to 5,000 decentralized exchange swaps per second. The introduction of super instructions will streamline smart contract calls, while a revamped StateDB will allow faster execution of complex transactions. By 2026, BNB Chain intends to process 20,000 transactions per second with confirmation times under 150 milliseconds, alongside the rollout of native privacy features and the introduction of upgradable virtual machines. One of the biggest headlines for BNB is Kraken's support for Windtree Therapeutics' $200 million allocation of BNB to its treasury. The move marks one of the largest institutional treasury plays for BNB to date. Windtree, a biotech firm, seeks to leverage BNB for yield strategies and ecosystem engagement, indicating confidence in the token's long-term value proposition. Mirroring this confidence, Nano Labs, also Nasdaq-listed, has strategically diversified its treasury by acquiring 120,000 BNB, about $90 million, further validating the token's utility beyond Binance's native exchange use cases. BNB Chain is aggressively advancing its network capabilities with a suite of infrastructure upgrades slated for late 2025 and into 2026. Looking ahead to 2026, BNB Chain isn't just stopping at raw throughput. The network is engineering a complete performance transformation. The 20,000 TPS target with sub-150 ms confirmations will be complemented by native privacy features and upgradable virtual machines, positioning BNB as a serious contender in the institutional blockchain space. BNB shows heavy derivatives activity as price wobbles near $800. This technological momentum appears to be resonating in derivatives markets, where $BNB is seeing explosive activity as prices test key psychological levels. Over the past day, trading volume on derivatives has jumped 83.67% to $3.25 billion, while open interest is up 23.91% to $1.30 billion, a sign that new positions are being opened rather than just closed out. $BNB/USDT derivatives data, July 23. Source: TradingView. Options markets are particularly active, with options volume soaring 270.37% to $11.33 million and open options interest up 59.73% to $20.87 million, suggesting traders are positioning around key levels. The long/short ratios hint at a market slightly tilted to the upside, 1.0024 overall, and on Binance specifically 1.8027, showing more accounts leaning long than short. However, strong liquidation activity has continued. In the last 24 hours, $3.07 million has been wiped out, with $1.38 million from longs and $1.69 million from shorts, underlining the two-way volatility. $BNB/USDT price chart, July 23. Source: TradingView. On the chart, BNB/USDT has extended its climb from mid-July and briefly broken above the $800 region before sellers reasserted themselves. After a sharp intraday rejection, the price is now hovering around $786, still well within an overall uptrend, but showing that the rally is encountering overhead supply. Momentum indicators reveal softening bullish pressure. The RSI has retreated from overbought territory to 50.58, while the MACD shows convergence with red histogram bars appearing, classic signs of weakening upside momentum. Speculative interest is high, but after a major rally, prices often need time to consolidate. Investors should watch how the price behaves around $780 on the downside and a fresh break above $800 on strong green deltas to gauge the next move. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Dogecoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. XRP flips McDonald's in market cap. Could XRP reach $100,000? XRP price prediction. XRP sets new ADH, but fans are still furious. How quickly could XRP hit $20 from here? Press releases. Say goodbye to hoarding XRP. Under the Genius Act, top-notch crypto boosts XRP cloud mining. Press releases. XRP 2025. Will Ripple reach $6 with ETFs and whale activity rising? Press releases. XRP news prediction. XRP breaks through the historical high of $3.60, with a short-term target of $4. Best